Wanted to give a quick garden update. Here are the hydrangeas. These are Endless Summer and they're looking spectacular. Beautiful blue and purple color, just looking magnificent. And here are the heucheras. They are putting on some pretty little white flowers. They're looking good too. Lots of flower stalks. And here is a hydrangea that has been in this house, or when I bought the house, they had this planted and we have never seen it flower, but now there are some blooms coming up, some buds. So looking forward to seeing what these flowers are going to look like. This bed is looking fantastic. The rose campion is bright and flowering beautifully, and then we've got the St. John's wort behind here with beautiful bright yellow flowers, and rose campion, beautiful. Dianthus just has lots of beautiful little pink, light pink flowers. All three are showing lots of color. Then we've got the echinacea. One flower has started to peek through, and the others should be coming in over the next couple of weeks. And we've got the rhodechia here, and it's got some nice buds and leaves, petals forming. The powwow over here, the echinacea, also showing some petals that will show up soon. And then we've got the daisy, which is looking quite beautiful. Lots of flowers starting to show with petals, white beautiful petals. And both of them are looking really pretty. The third one is a little behind, but lots of buds. And then the salvia is still doing very well. It has lots of flowers. Then back here we've got the yarrow, and the yarrow has a very nice, beautiful red flower that should fade to a pink, and lots of buds on this plant, as well as the second one that looks like it's going to be blooming soon. The second yarrow is a little behind, but it's got lots of buds as well. And then we have the catmint here, and this is looking very nice still, so no need to cut it back until it looks further has spent, but there is some new growth at the bottom, so once I do cut it back, some of that new growth should start emerging. And then we've got the spirea. The flowers are pretty much spent, just a few blooms left here and there. So give it a little bit more time, and then should be shearing this back so that maybe we can get a second set of blooms possibly. The hyssop is starting to put on some buds. So there's one right there showing up. Start seeing something maybe later this summer. And down here is the coreopsis, still coming in slowly, but it's looking very nice and healthy. The lavender is still blooming, and the transplants are doing well. We've got the gaura over here, and this is starting to show some buds and one bloom right there. So that's going to start showing some flowers very soon. And then the calendula down here is starting to put in some buds. So yeah, right there. Here's one. So we should start seeing flowers, I suppose, in the next couple of weeks, or maybe in the next week. We can start seeing some flowers emerge here. So very happy with that. Good success. So the hydrangeas here are looking beautiful. Lots of pink flowers, just a sea of pink petals everywhere on these lace cap hydrangeas. These are the Twist and Shout hydrangeas. They were here when I bought the house, and this year is the best year so far. It's just so many blooms everywhere. Then we have the foxgloves, which are still flowering beautifully. On here, the verbenas are looking great. Purple prince, bachelor's buttons, and that one down there got eaten a bit, so hopefully it'll bounce back. And the grasses are looking good and filling in, so those are all doing really well. Over here, the catmint is starting to show some blooms, and everything is doing very well over here. But here is where I plan to put together my fairy garden, and I hope to have that for my next video. So that'll end this tour for now, showing everything that's flowering. Thanks for watching. Bye.